project was on e-commerce, and here's my cover page. This is my logo, and this is my animation, which for some reason only wants to work if you click on it. But, and here's my banner. And to make those, I went on the Pixlr website and I added text to the images that I found online. And I also used layering and resizing to get the look that I wanted to. And so by definition, e-commerce is the activity of buying or selling products and services over the internet. So if we look down here, we have my table of contents. Here's the purpose. Indicate the name of the innovation and provide a clear description of its intended purpose, such as the problem the innovation solved, the opportunity that the innovation created, or the discovery that the innovation made possible. I like to say that e-commerce both solved a problem and created an opportunity. The problem it solved was people wanting to buy goods but not necessarily being there to do so. Like maybe they have a favorite brand overseas. And it also created the opportunity for businesses to expand globally. So basically the purpose of e-commerce is being able to buy and sell goods while never having to leave your house to go to the store or wherever it is you're looking to buy from. And here just represents the global distribution that e-commerce has made possible. And here is the shopping cart. So this is the effects and impacts page. Explain a benefit and harmful effect of the innovation. So obviously one of the benefits is the accessibility of products all over the world. For example, if you have a favorite clothing brand in India, you can just go on their e-commerce website and they will ship it right to you. And another thing is a harmful effect of e-commerce. That's the big retail giants like Amazon have been shutting down small businesses and also large businesses because people just like the convenience of being able to not go in store. And here is a graph that I had from my survey on the impact of society in e-commerce, and most people agree that e-commerce has greatly impacted that in their lives. Explain the impact that the innovation has made on society, economy, and our culture. So it's impacted society as a whole because it allows for easy global trade, basically. And from 2015 to 2020, it's estimated that it'll grow from $995 billion to $1.7 trillion in revenue. Indicate one field other than computer science which this innovation has impacted or has the potential to impact. So I believe that marketing is one of the key impacts of e-commerce due to people being able to see what people buy, and it allows them to create consumer-based advertisements and really know their audience. And here is a video of somebody demonstrating how to use online.
The benefits of online shopping, I would say, it's much faster. It's very convenient, yes. One can go online and enter their credit card, and it'll be at your house in 3 days. Oh, the Echo Dot. Oh, $84.99. Oh, $39.99. Okay. Oh, this is it right here. Second generation. Oh, smart speaker with Alexa. I have it in black. Okay. I'm going to add to cart. See, just like that. And we have $8.99 for a, what's this? Okay, this is all the options. You can add a 2-year protection. Okay, this is so much easier than going to the store.
So yeah. Also, my survey is down here, which is where I got the data for that. Technical aspects. Describe how a user interacts with the innovation. So basically, you go online and say this is Venus. You select what you want, and you click that bag to check out and enter your information. And they ship it to you. Describe in detail how the innovation's technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and or the internet to accomplish its purpose. So I chose the internet because one of the key features of e-commerce is being able to go on the internet and buy your goods. Relationship to data. Describe how the innovation consumes data, produces data, and/or transforms data. So one of the ways that it consumes data is that it consumes the metadata of people entering their credit card information with their names, and also shipping information like addresses. And then that data is also produced and outputted by the retailers who need that information in order to send them the stuff. So describe at least one data storage concern, privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. And one thing is obviously the concern of credit card information not actually being secure and data breaches. And last, here are my references, some of them. This is the one that I found the most helpful. This link. Just really gave me a lot of information on e-commerce, and a lot of it talked about like small businesses and how they use it. So I created this site basically by following the computer science tutorials. I used the edit features to be able to make text and insert everything. And one of the different things that I noticed with the HTML and CSS is that this is obviously a lot harder. You have to manually enter all of the information, but this you can kind of just edit it like you would like a Google Doc or something. So it's stored, a lot of this is metadata, like this picture and this text is all metadata, and it uses multiple websites. So each one of these is a website, and people access it through the HTTPS link. And through the HTTPS link up here, this website and everything on it can be accessed. This website can also be found on the internet. So in short, e-commerce has definitely changed the way that we buy things online, and in my personal opinion, the most important aspect of e-commerce has been the ability for businesses to expand globally. So yeah, I will also add a slide at the end of the video with the direct link to this website so everybody can access it. For more information, please feel free to visit this link to my website.